Hello, Hello students, welcome back to Upper Public School, Kalburgi. I am your social teacher. That means my name is Sridevi Alde. I am teaching social subject for 5th standard. Today I am going to handle evolution of transport and communication. Which lesson is this, children? This is 12th lesson from your textbook. Okay, which lesson is this? This is 12th lesson from your textbook. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Evolution of Transport and Communication. Here, first let us study about evolution. What do you mean by evolution? Evolution is nothing but the process by which different kinds of living organisms are believed to have development from earlier forms during the history of the earth. Okay, it is nothing but the development of different kinds of living organisms from earlier forms. It is called as evolution. Okay, what do you mean by evolution, children? Evolution is nothing but the development of different kinds of living organisms from earlier forms. It is called as evolution. Say in easy words, what is the definition of evolution? Evolution is nothing but the gradual development of something. Okay, gradual means step by step development of something is known as evolution. Okay, now next is transportation. What do you mean by transportation? Transportation is nothing but take or carry people or goods from one place to another by means of vehicle, aircraft or ship. Okay. What do you mean by transport? What do you mean by transport? Transport is nothing but carrying or taking people or goods from one place to another. Okay. By means of vehicles. That is called as transport. Okay. For example, what are the examples of transport? See, first let us see the examples of airways. See, airways, waterways and roadways. By roadways, what are the examples? What are the vehicles used by roadways? Say, trucks are there, buses are there, next auto rickshaws are there, two-wheelers are there, cycles are there. These are the different means of transportation by road, isn't it? Now, next, communication. What do you mean by communication? Communication is nothing but the exchange of information by speaking, writing, using some media. Okay. See, what is communication? Communication is nothing but the exchange of information or views by speaking, writing, etc. Okay, children, what do you mean by communication? Communication is nothing but exchanging information or exchanging views. Say the talk between two persons is called communication. Isn't it? See, through speaking, writing or using some medium. Using some medium means we do communication by using by televisions are there, radios are there, telephones are there. By using all these things we do communication, isn't it? Now next, life of the early man. See, in order to study this lesson, that means what is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is Evolution of Transport and Communication. Okay, in order to study this lesson, we have to know, okay, we have to study little bit about the early man. Okay, see, this is the picture of early man. Okay, see, so many changes have taken place. Okay, Here in the beginning, how was he? See, after that, gradually so many changes taken place. Here, see, this is the beginning. Okay, this is second. Like this, so many changes have taken place in the life of the early man. Okay, next. See, these are the different tools. What are these? These are the different tools which are used by the early man. Okay. See, here, did the early man has house to live? Children, did the early man has house to live in? No. The early man did not have house to live in. Then where did he live? That means where did the early man live? The early man lived in the caves and on the trees. Okay, nowadays we are having number of types of houses, isn't it? We have so many types of houses, but the early man did not have any houses. Then where did he live? He lived on the trees and in the caves. Okay. Now, what did the early man eat? See, nowadays we are having so many dishes. We are eating so many dishes, varieties of food, isn't it? But the early man did not have food to eat. The early man ate raw meat, fruits, nuts, edible roots, leaves, etc. Okay, so children, what did the early man eat? The early man ate raw meat, fruits, nuts, edible roots, leaves and leaves. These are the things eaten by the early man. Whereas now we are eating number of varieties of food, isn't it? What did the early man wear? See, the early man did not have did not have clothes. Okay, then what did he do? He covered his body with leaves, skin of animals, and barks of the trees. Okay, see, what did the early man wear? The early man wore, that means the early man covered his body with leaves, skin of animals, barks of the trees. See, as the years passed, the early man invented fire and used the fire to drive away the animals and roast the meat. See what happened, children? Years After so many years, as the years passed, the early man invented fire. See, how did he invent fire? By striking two pieces of stones. Okay. See, in the beginning, he was very much scared about the fire. Why? Because he could not stop it. Later, he made use of fire. He started using fire in order to drive away the animals. Okay, and to roast the meat. See, in the beginning, what he ate raw meat. But now, after the invention of fire, he started eating raw meat. Slowly he learnt growing crops. See children, what he ate fruits now. See, when he ate fruits, what he did, he threw the seeds. See, those seeds, because of sunlight and rainfall, after sunrise, what happened? Those seeds grew into seedlings. Okay, by seeing those seedlings, he came to know that the seeds can grow into plants. By that, he learned how to uh, grow crops. Okay, that means he started doing agriculture. See, weaving cloth, etc. That means he started weaving cloth also. How did he learn weaving cloth? By seeing the nest of the birds. He learned weaving cloth. The next invention of the Early man was wheel. Okay, next he invented wheel. The invention of wheel brought a great change in the travel of early man. See, the invention of the wheel, what it did, it brought great change in the travel of the early man. See, after the invention of the wheel, the early man started using mode of transport like raft made of logs, wooden carts or sledges. Okay, see, this is the wheel which was invented by the early man. Say this is the raft which was used by the early man after the invention of the wheel, and this is the cart. Okay, this is the cart used by the early man in order to drag heavy loads from one place to another. Now steam engine. Let us see about the steam engine. Who invented steam engine? See, this is the steam engine. This is the picture of the steam engine. Who invented steam engine? The steam engine was invented by James Watt. Okay, this is the person. See, who is this person? This is James Watt. What he did, he invented steam engine. That means steam engine was invented by James Watt. It is the next turning point in the history of transportation. What is the next turning point in the history of transportation? Steam engine. Okay, who invented it? It was invented by James Watt. See, earlier it was used to carry carriages. Okay, see, earlier it was used. What was used? Steam engine was used to carry carriages. Now it is used to run trains and huge cargo ships. See, this is the train which is used to run the train. Okay, steam engine is used to run the train, and this is the cargo ship which is run by the steam engine. Okay. Now, different modes of traveling. What are the different modes of traveling? Roadways. See, these are the vehicles which are run on the road. And railways. See, these are the vehicles which are run on the rails. Waterways. See, these are the vehicles which are run on water. Airways. See, this is the vehicle which is run in the air. Okay. Highways. This is highway road. Okay. What are highways? The roads which connect different cities. Okay, within the country, within the state. Okay, the roads which connect different states within the state are called highways. Now, expressways. This is the picture of expressway. Okay, this is the road of expressways. Next, freeways. This is the picture of freeways. These are the three types of roads which connect different cities within a country. Okay, they are also called as broad metalled roads. Now let us see international highways. What are international highways? These highways connect one country to another country. Which roads connect one country to another country? International highways. International highways connect one country to another country. Example, the Grand Trunk Road. Okay, this is the Grand Trunk Road. This is the Grand Trunk Road. See, the Grand Trunk Road connects Kolkata in India to Peshawar in Pakistan. Okay, this is the Grand Trunk Road we are seeing now. See, this road connects Kolkata in India to Peshawar in Pakistan. International highways. These highways connect one country to another country. Example, Grand Trunk Road. Now, railways. What are railways? Railways are important means of transport. They connect different countries in Europe and America. The Grand Orient Express connects Paris in France to Istanbul in Turkey. Japan, Germany, France and China have some of the fastest trains in the world. What are railways, children? Railways are nothing but they connect different countries. Railways connected countries in Europe and America. Which train connects Paris in France to Istanbul in Turkey? The Grand Trunk Express, the Grand Orient Express. This express connects Paris in France to Istanbul in Turkey. Okay. See, which countries have fastest trains in the world? Japan, Germany, France and China have some of the fastest trains in the world. See, these are the pictures you are seeing, no? These are the types of trains. Okay. The bullet train of Japan, TGV of France, Maglevs of China and Rajdhani of India are some of the fastest trains. Okay. Which are the fastest trains? Bullet train of Japan, TGV of France, Maglevs of China and Rajdhani of India are some of the fastest trains. Here we are seeing varieties of trains, isn't it? These are nothing but bullet train of Japan, TGV of France, Maglevs of China and Rajdhani of India. Okay. By this, I end today's class, children. I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.